Hi, this is Dr. Harlan Mittag with Doctors Holistic RX. Can you relieve joint pain with fish oil? The answer is a loud yes. But there are some things that you need to know in order to get results. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to tell you the cause of most joint pain. We'll discuss what researchers have found out about using fish oil to relieve joint pain. We'll talk about how much fish oil you need to take in order to get relief. And finally, at the end, I'm going to give you an address where you can get a discount on high-quality pharmaceutical-grade fish oil from Amazon. So what causes joint pain? Pain is caused by inflammation in a joint. And it's the inflammation that triggers the pain nerve and causes the sensation of pain. Inflammation is actually part of the body's self-repair process, but the inflammation is only supposed to go on so long until the repairs are complete, and then the body has a system of anti-inflammatory chemicals that it uses to put out inflammation. And these anti-inflammatory chemicals that the body makes on its own are constructed from what we eat, and fish oil contains the raw materials that the body needs to manufacture these anti-inflammatory chemicals. Most joint pain is attributable to osteoarthritis of the joint. Osteoarthritis is another way of saying wear and tear of the cartilage in the joint. When the cartilage wears down, there is a roughening of the joint surfaces which increases the friction in the joint. The increased friction causes inflammation, which in turn causes the pain. The series of illustrations here shows the progressive wearing down of the cartilage in a knee joint. Many people and many doctors think that once the cartilage starts to wear down, there's nothing that you can do. Or perhaps they'll tell you that you can only take the NSAID drugs or have knee replacement surgery. This isn't true. Take the case of Dr. Joseph Maroon, a neurosurgeon. And as an aside, you can watch an interview with Dr. Maroon at the website I'll tell you about at the end of this video. Dr. Maroon started to suffer a lot of knee pain. He had been a marathon runner and he had osteoarthritis in his knee. So much so that he gave himself an ulcer from taking all the painkillers that he needed to suppress the pain. He went to his medical colleagues for advice and was told he needed a knee replacement. But wanting to avoid knee replacement and needing to get off of the NSAID drugs because of his ulcer, he decided to research his own way to see if he couldn't relieve the pain some natural way. His research led him to fish oil, and here's what happened in Dr. Maroon's own words. Quote, I personally began to take 2 grams of mixed DHA and DPA fish oil supplements. After 2 months, I had no further knee pain, was able to train again, and most notably, had no further stomach problems. Unquote. As a neurosurgeon, Dr. Maroon treats many people with spinal and nerve pain. Based on his personal experience, he decided to do a study with fish oil in his clinical practice. Here's the story in Dr. Maroon's own words. Quote, in 2005, I conducted my first research study on fish oil supplements. I surveyed 125 of my non-surgical spine pain patients who I had also recommended to take omega-3 fish oil supplements. The survey showed a surprising number, 60%, had obtained significant spine relief, and almost the same amount, 59%, were able to stop taking NSAID pain medications and rely solely upon omega-3 supplements for pain relief. I published these results in Surgical Neurology, which prompted an editorial from the senior editor to encourage more neurosurgeons to learn about alternative treatments. In 2006, I wrote about the benefits of fish oil in my book, Fish Oil, the Natural Anti-Inflammatory. unquote. So far we've talked about knee pain and spinal pain, but fish oil can help pain in any joint. The reason is that the cause of the pain in all of these joint locations is the same: inflammation. By giving your body the raw materials to manufacture its own on-board anti-inflammatory chemicals, fish oil fuels your body's ability to control inflammation and pain everywhere. How much fish oil should you take? The answer is that it depends on the product that you're taking. The two products above both feature 1,000 milligram capsules of fish oil. The product on the left is from Doctor's Holistic RX, and it's a concentrated fish oil, meaning that the active ingredients in the fish oil, the ingredients that your body uses to relieve pain, the omega-3 fatty acids, they have been concentrated in the oil. The product on the right is not concentrated. If you have the product on the right, you have to take about 3 capsules for the same amount of active ingredient that you would get in 1 capsule of Doctor's Holistic RX fish oil. Here's a graphic that helps to visualize the wide variation in fish oil products. When the active ingredients in the fish oil are not concentrated, we call it food-grade fish oil. That's the capsule on the left, and you see that it has about 30% active omega-3 fatty acids, which are the ingredients that your body needs to manufacture its own anti-inflammatory chemicals. If the active ingredients are concentrated to over 70%, we call it pharmaceutical grade fish oil. That's the product on the right, and that's what Doctor's Holistic RX has achieved. So back to the question, how much fish oil should you take? If you are taking a pharmaceutical grade fish oil, like Doctor's Holistic RX fish oil omega-3, you're getting 70% omega-3 fatty acids in each 1,000 milligram capsule. That's 700 milligrams of active ingredients per capsule. And on average, you'd want to take 3 to 5 capsules per day to give your body what it needs to make its own anti-inflammatory chemicals. Once you get the pain relief, then you can back off to about 2 capsules a day. Each bottle of Doctor's Holistic RX fish oil omega-3 has 180 capsules. So if you're taking anywhere between 3 to 5 capsules per day, a bottle will last you 35 to 60 days. For a limited time, we're having a special on Doctor's Holistic RX fish oil when you get it on Amazon.com. You'll need a discount code when you go to Amazon, and you can get that discount code at fishoildeal.com. At fishoildeal.com, you can also get a download of a free ebook entitled How to Get Natural Pain Relief with Fish Oil and Omega-3. This ebook goes into much greater depth on how to relieve pain naturally with fish oil than I've been able to do in this presentation. So please go over to fishoildeal.com and get your free ebook and get your discount code, and then go over to Amazon.com and get a discounted bottle of Doctor's Holistic RX fish oil omega-3. You won't be sorry that you did. Thank you, and have a great day. Hi, this is Dr. Harlan Mittag with Doctor's Holistic RX. Can you relieve joint pain with fish oil? The answer is a loud yes. But there are some things that you need to know in order to get results. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to tell you the cause of most joint pain. We'll discuss what researchers have found out about using fish oil to relieve joint pain. We'll talk about how much fish oil you need to take in order to get relief. And finally, at the end, I'm going to give you an address where you can get a discount on high-quality pharmaceutical-grade fish oil from Amazon. So what causes joint pain? Pain is caused by inflammation in a joint, and it's the inflammation that triggers the pain nerve and causes the